Hello, Joshua Garner here with SkipperBud's at Marina Del Isle. I'll be showing you the 2019 Mako 234cc. Galvanized easy loader trailer with surge brakes, spare tire, as we wrap around the hull, we come to our Mercury outboard 300 horse Verado, 126 gallon tank, our underwater lighting. In the cockpit, you'll see we have a live well, some rocket launchers for your poles, our aft spreader lighting, the transom seat, which can fold down or fold up if you'd like more room for fishing. Swing over to the center live well. Got our transom live well. Plenty of storage here we see in the cockpit as well. We're going to venture over to our helm. We've got Lowrance electronics, 12-inch screen, long-range radar, fusion stereo system. We've got our auto trim, courtesy helm lighting. Coming up to the bow, we have our bow cushions, bow seating, storage in the center, storage underneath the bow seating. Our anchor. The forward spreader lights. Coming around to our storage / head compartment. This does come equipped with a porta pot. Your battery switches and copious amounts of storage, as you can see, to either take your bow seating off or store whatever you'd like for your trip. Sitting back here. Over from this angle, above top we have our additional helm storage and just an overall view, overall walk around of the 2019 Mako 234cc.